What's going on, guys? I hope you all are doing great. My name is Virag Desai and I'm a professional photographer and filmmaker. And today we are going to be doing a very unique challenge on this channel. We are going to be shooting and editing a cinematic promo video for a brand just under an hour. Now, I have made a lot of promo videos for various brands over the last 5 years. The one thing that's common in all of them is that they all use expensive gear and complex editing softwares. The goal for today is to make a cinematic promo video without using any expensive gear or any complex editing softwares. I'm going to be keeping it as simple as possible so you could create similar videos and follow through. So the only gear I'll be using today is my iPhone, a tripod, and an online editing software that you can get your hands on just for $20. But yeah, with that, let's get started. So guys, we are finally on our way to our first destination. There is a small cafe in the area that I know. Hopefully if the manager or the owner is there, I'll have a small chat with them and hopefully they let me shoot a small promo video for them. Yeah, there's a lot of pressure because we have to do the entire shoot and edit under an hour. So let's see what happens. So here we are, guys, at the cafe. It's called the Big Barun Window and I'm just gonna go inside, hopefully find the owner or the manager and have a small talk with him. Hi bro. Hi. My name is Virag, I'm actually a photographer and a filmmaker. At this point, I showed the business owner all my Instagram work, my videos, and he absolutely loved it. And thankfully, he agreed for me to shoot a video for them. I'm going to be shooting this under 1 hour, shooting and editing. So currently, as you all can see, it's 11:40. Let's say by 12:40, we should be done with the video. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is actually mount my phone on a GorillaPod. This is a small phone holder which you could invest into. You can easily find it on Amazon or any online shopping apps. So this basically helps you mount your phone on a GorillaPod. Shooting handheld is fine, but this gives you the extra stability, which gives you a little bit of a professional look to your videos. Without further ado, let's start shooting. Now, as this place is a coffee shop, I'm going to be shooting a small coffee B-roll for them. If you guys don't know what a B-roll is, it's basically shooting the entire process of a coffee being made in slow motion or in a cinematic way, basically. This could be any process. In this case, it's coffee, so it's going to be a coffee B-roll. I'm going to start with a wide shot of the cafe's hoarding right over here. And from there, we'll take it inside and then shoot the entire inside part. So let's start shooting quick. So we're done shooting the outside part. Now we're gonna go inside the kitchen, shoot the entire coffee B-roll. Also, one more tip that I can give you guys is when you're shooting in this, your phones will always have a grid line option in the settings. Enable it. These are basically the horizontal and vertical lines on your camera screen when you open up your camera. This helps you compose your shot better, making sure that the subject of your video is right in the center, and it just helps you composing and framing your shots better. So make sure you make use of it. Another tip that I can give you guys is locking your autofocus and your exposure. So the way you can do this is actually by tapping on your subject like this, long pressing it, and it'll say AE and AF lock, and now I can decrease the exposure and my exposure is going to be locked. By using this tip, you can make sure that your phone doesn't change the exposure on its own or it doesn't change the focus of the subject on its own. You all can lock it in and get the perfect shot possible. As you all would have seen, I'm also using a lot of hand movement, as in I'm going like this, and the reason for this is that in the edit I would create transitions out of this. So what you need to do is, let's say if you're taking one shot, your first shot like this, and you're ending it in this direction, the next shot started from the other direction, and in the edit you all can join this to create a seamless transition. If you learn how to edit this, don't worry, we will be editing this later in InVideo together as well. So do not worry, make sure you watch the video till the end. But anyway, let's continue shooting. We are already on our clock. It's already 12 o'clock. We have only 40 minutes left, so gotta be quick. Now another cool idea for a transition is called black to black transition. So in one of the shots when he was whipping the milk, I actually did a blackout in the end of the video using his shirt. It looks something like this. In the next shot, I use my hand to reveal the shot from a blackout, and in the edit, I can join this together to give it a very seamless transition. So you can easily use your hand to cover the lens and reveal a shot and later use it to your advantage in the edit, as it adds an extra element to your shot. Anyway guys, we are done shooting the video. Now it's time to edit. It's currently 12:12, so I barely have any time left, so I need to be quick. Anyway, let's start editing and I'll show you guys every single step that I take in this entire process. So here we are, guys, on the InVideo website. I'm going to start by first setting the resolution for this video, which is 16:9. I'm going to go on the blank canvas. Now you all can use a pre-made template, but for this video I'm going to be creating a template of my own. So let's do make a video. Now to just save up some time, I've already imported all the footage that we require for today's edit. At this point I realized it's going to be extremely tough to explain and edit the entire process just in 20 minutes. So I just screen recorded the entire thing and now I'll just voice it over to explain you guys what I did. I started out first by importing all the footage to my project. The next thing that I did was actually choose the shot that I want to have first in my video. For this particular project, I decided that it would be the shot from outside the cafe as this helps establishing the brand. I started off by trimming the video. I chose where the start point is and the end point is. When it comes to the end point, I made sure to cut the shot right before the camera stops moving. This is going to help me in the next shot to create a transition. After that, I created another scene and imported my next footage. Now because these shots were already pre-planned, the first shot ended in a downward motion and that's why the second shot also started with a downward motion so that in the edit this could become a seamless transition. Now after cropping this footage also, when I add it to the timeline, you all can see that without any efforts I can create a very seamless transition that looks extremely cool. In this exact same way, I went ahead and placed all the footages on the timeline. After placing all the shots together, this is what the product looked like. Now it looks extremely nice, but there are still some final touches left. First thing that I did was actually add a cinema scope to all the footages that are there. Now in case you don't know what a cinema scope is, it's basically these black bars that you see on the top and bottom of the video. These help in making your videos instantly more cinematic. They just give more perspective to your video. And this is because the most of the movies and TV shows that we watch today have been shot in this aspect ratio. Now you can easily find this by just searching cinema scope on your Google Images. Make sure you filter it out to only transparent images and you will find a PNG file which looks something like this. Simply drag and drop this on top of your footage and you have it right there. After my last scene, I decided to add the company's logo as this gives a very professional and a nice ending to the video. Although the logo is nice, the scene was looking a little boring, so I went ahead and clicked on the overlay section, which is on the left hand side panel. As I went through it, I found this particular overlay which looked extremely nice on the footage. Although it's already looking good, I think it can still be better. So I went ahead and clicked on the video section on the left hand side panel where I can find a lot of premium stock footage, and I went ahead and typed coffee. I found this stock footage which was extremely high res and was a perfect fit for the ending of the video. So I went ahead, resized it and placed it at the very bottom of all the layers so that it doesn't overlap anything. And well, you all can see it gave me a really nice effect. Now I went ahead, added some fade outs to the logo and the stock footage to give it a nice smooth ending. But now although the video was ready visually, there was one important thing that's missing, and that's music. And for this particular video, I wanted a more hardcore vibe, a little bit of a rock vibe, so I went ahead to the rock section. After scrolling through a couple of tracks, I found the perfect track for my video. Okay, just got done editing the video, guys. It's currently 12:41. I don't know if you all can see. So yeah, I'm 1 minute over the time, but that's completely fine. It's important that we show the owner and get his feedback on what he thinks of the video. Now as I'm showing the owner the final video, why don't you guys have a look at what we created today? So bro, we are finally done shooting the video and you just saw it. I just would love to know what you think of the video and if you liked it.
Oh, the video is really nice and I love all those animations you did there. And I'm really surprised how you finished it in just 1 hour.
Yeah. So that was the entire challenge, to see if I could shoot a video, a promo video for a company under 1 hour. And are you excited to put this up on your social media, your Instagram and stuff like that to promote it?
Yes, I'm definitely very much interested to put it up on social media. It will create a lot of traction and engagement, which will in turn help us to get more customers.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, overall, thank you so much for letting us shoot, and I hope this video helps you out. Man, that was a crazy challenge, and I'm so happy that the owner actually liked the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment below. Now, I hope the tips and tricks I've shared in the video will help you create some kick-ass promo videos for your own business or brand. Now, if you want more videos on such tips and ideas on videos that can actually help you promote your business and bring customers, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our weekly content. This is Virag with InVideo, and I will see you on the next one.